Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View again with this review. Today is going to be about the Dukascopy, founded in 2004 in Geneva, and it's a Geneva-based Dukascopy Bank now offers a full range of banking services in addition to a large brokerage operation focused primarily on contracts for difference. They also own and operate in the unique Swiss fixed marketplace, and the broker does an excellent job disclosing its higher than average trading costs and fees in a relatively small product catalog. A generous active traders discount program offers an upgrade path to lower commissions and spreads, while a homegrown trading platform is on par with MetaTrader 4, which features a subset of currency pairs and higher commissions. That's unfortunate because neither interface provides all the customization features required by mid to upper level account holders. The broker does not offer UK or Irish spread betting, denying clients the special tax advantages that offered. Also, between the pros of this broker, proprietary G4X platforms, advanced charting, iOS and Android sync with the desktop, and between the cons, small product catalog, higher than average trading cost, no two-factor authentication. The broker is licensed in Switzerland through Swiss Financial Markets Supervisory Authority and in the European Union through Financial and Capital Market Commission of Latvia. The Swiss division protects clients up to 100,000 CHF in case of broker default, while European Union protection is limited to $2,000 or 2,000 euros. The proprietary G4X 3 desktop platform includes hundreds of indicators, advanced charting, historic testing, real-time news, and embedded customer support. The G4X mobile versions allows easy syncing between platforms with well-organized menus but fewer charting features and limited customization. The research and tools and insights of this broker. The broker offers comprehensive research materials written on streamed by knowledgeable in-house analysts, frequently updated at the website and within the mobile apps. The site contains no dedicated educational section, with the majority of tutorial materials embedded within a research content or video section. It's possible to find that information by hunting and picking through multiple topics. Traders can execute automated and algo strategies through the G4X and fixed IPEs platforms permit hedging, while both the G4X and MetaTrader support historical backtesting. Bottom line, Dukascopy Bank offers a great fit for market professionals and high-volume traders with extensive research materials and an excellent discount program to bring bottom-line costs in line with more competitive European brokerage. However, the smaller than average product catalog isn't likely to suit all trading style. Higher than average trading cost could undermine new and small size retail account holders who may have to look elsewhere for built-in skill levels due to weak educational resource. Even so, smaller traders with growing accounts may wish to stick around due to the robust community and generous upgrade path to lower costs. Thanks for watching. See you on another review with another broker.